Hello, and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is food in Italy. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Listen carefully and just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my name is Maria and I'm 40 years old. I'm from Italy, a country known all over the world for its food. Today, I want to talk to you about the amazing food culture in my country. In Italy, food is very important. We don't just eat to stay alive. We eat to enjoy life. We take our time to prepare and eat our meals, and food brings people together. The most important meal of the day is lunch. It's usually around 1 or 2 in the afternoon. Many Italians like me like to eat with their families or friends. It's a moment to relax and talk about the day. For breakfast, we usually drink coffee. Most people love espresso or cappuccino. And we eat something sweet like cornetto, similar to a croissant. In the north of Italy, people sometimes eat a light breakfast with bread and jam. But in the south, it's more common to have pastries like sfogliatella or salty food like pizzetta, a small pizza made with tomato and mozzarella. For lunch, Italians love pasta. There are many types of pasta: spaghetti, penne, fusilli, ravioli, etc. We often eat pasta with tomato sauce or creamy sauce. My favorite pasta is pasta al pomodoro, which is pasta with tomato sauce, basil, and a little bit of olive oil, and some grated Parmigiano cheese. It's simple but delicious. In Italy, we also have a tradition of eating antipasti, which are small dishes before the main meal. This can be olives, cheese, salami with fresh bread. After lunch, we usually eat a dessert like tiramisu or cannoli and drink coffee, of course. Dinner in Italy is usually lighter. We usually have fish, meat, or chicken with salad. I love making a simple salad, but the most popular dish for dinner, especially when we eat with our friends, is pizza. I love Parmigiana pizza. It's pizza made with tomato, mozzarella, and fried eggplants, and also grated Parmigiano cheese. It's delicious. In my country, every region has its own special dishes. In the north, you can find a lot of rice, like risotto, and in the south, they use more tomatoes, olives, and seafood. For example, in Sicily, you can eat pasta con le sarde, which is pasta with sardines. And in the region of Emilia-Romagna, you can try lasagna or tortellini. Italian food is so diverse, and each region is proud of its recipes. Food is not just about eating. It's very important for us because it's part of our tradition and culture. We always cook with love, and we love sharing our meals with our family and friends. If you visit Italy, I recommend you to try food in every region. Thank you for listening. I hope you feel inspired to try some Italian food. Now, let's check on your understanding. Try your best to answer these questions. What is the most important meal in Italy? The most important meal in Italy is lunch. What do Italians usually eat for breakfast? Espresso or cappuccino with cornetto. What is Maria's favorite pasta dish? Pasta with tomato sauce. What is Maria's favorite pizza? Maria's favorite pizza is Parmigiana pizza. Why is food so important for Italians? Because it's part of their tradition and culture. If you have answered correctly to all the questions, you have done a very good job. Keep working and see you next time.